Welcome back, Queens and Kings, and thank you all so much for watching. So today we're going to try our hands in doing some abstract art for my wall. If you all would like to see how I created this piece, please continue to watch. Hey, Queens and Kings. All right, Queens and Kings, so here are all the materials that I am using. The canvas came from Michael's, which I called it on sale because they had you buy one and you get 2 or 3 free, but you had to pay for the most expensive one. You get the other any size free. So, but anyways, all the paint came from, well, some of the paint came from, let's see, this granite here, this dark granite paint came from Walmart. This silver platinum came from Michael's, which you can also find at Walmart. This little gray here, this granite gray, came from Michael's. This came from Hobby Lobby, this teal. Now, one thing about this teal, for me to get the color that I really want, I had to add some black into it, in which I got this black from Walmart. The shade of teal that I really want, but you guys will see that pretty soon. The white came from Walmart as well. Then I just got some brushes, different sizes and styles of brushes that I'm going to use to make the different strokes. And then I also have some of this shiny super gloss Mod Pod, and I got it from Walmart, I believe, and also some glitter. Now this is how big this canvas is, and I think it was 24 by 36 if I'm not mistaken. It was $23, I believe, but like I said, I got 2 of them free. So anyways, here I'm just basically just gonna put all the paint on the canvas, and I'm gonna just let you guys enjoy. But what I would say, trust the progress. Trust the progress. And as you guys can see, this teal is kind of light at this point, but just trust the progress. I hope the Queens and Kings enjoy. Now sit back and relax. Okay, queens and kings, so here is our finished look. This is what I mean by trust the progress, because in the beginning, as I was doing this, it did not look like this. Not even the colors were the same. I had to go mix more paint with other paint, like as for the teal, I had to mix it with the black in order to get this deep green cerulean color. And as you guys can see, it matched perfectly with my pillars. Now the color that came out of the two did not. By me adding the black, that what brought it to this deep teal here. Now this what I was going for. As I was doing, I was like, Val, what in the, you know what are you doing? Like, girl, this is not your cup of tea. But I had to add more colors and mix more colors in just to get this look here. And as I was saying, something I was missing, which was the black. The black brought it out, made it pop a little bit more. These are all the colors that is in my home right now. And as you guys can see, there's a different shade of the cerulean. Yes, I'm calling it that. It's a different shade of it. As you can see, it's darker, it's lighter, and that's what I was going for. That's what I really want. And you guys see, I also added more glitter, even though you couldn't tell for the angle that I had or whatever, but it turned out very well. I also added some more of that dark granite gray so it can pop, because the silver and that lighter gray was actually collashing together. But I love the way it turned out. If you queens and kings enjoyed the process of this video, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and share with your family, friends, and loved one. And subscribe to join the castle with the rest of us queens and kings. And turn on your post notification bell. And it's going to ask you for some, all, or whatever. Just hit all, so therefore you'll be notified anytime I upload anything. So I will talk to you queens and kings in the next video. Bye bye.